Hello students and welcome to class 5th English first online lectures. Stay indoors, stay safe. Please take best care of yourself and your family members too. Students, today we are going to start our third chapter, Raju's Hero, from our prime English book, which is a story of a little boy who was a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar and cricket as well. Before starting this chapter, I would like to ask few questions from you all. Did you ever remain in the same posture for many hours due to any injury or pain? If yes, then what were your feelings at that time? Do you feel annoyed or happy? And how do you feel if you can't do anything or go anywhere due to that injury or pain? Do you like any sports activity? If yes, then who is your favorite sports person related to that particular sports? Keep these questions in your mind. Now let us read and feel the story of a small boy, Raju. So here is the story, students. On a Saturday afternoon, Raju was feeling upset because he had been sitting on an armchair with his leg on a cushioned stool for hours in front of television. He was sitting like this because his leg bone had been fractured due to falling off his bike. Raju said to his mother that he was feeling bored by sitting like that, but her mother said, if you will sit without moving your legs, your bones will heal faster. Raju was more upset because his father, his elder brother Renju, and he had planned to go and watch a test match between India and Australia, which was going to take place in their city only. It was going to be his first live cricket match at the stadium, and Sachin Tendulkar was playing for India. But his plan got ruined due to his leg fracture. Now Raju had to stay home and watch the live telecast of the match on the television only. His father said that it will be better for him. Now Raju's elder brother Renju had brought some popcorn and chocolate cake for Raju so that he could enjoy the match at home only. They brought that cake and popcorn for Raju because Raju was sad. When Raju's father and Renju were leaving for the stadium, Raju asked to bring the autograph of Sachin Tendulkar. Renju, his elder brother, replied that he will try to get the autograph of Sachin Tendulkar. Raju waved goodbye to them and switched on the TV. And the match began. The entire day he watched the match by sitting in the same posture without moving his leg. Now his leg began to itch. And because of his plaster, he was unable to scratch it. He felt very much annoyed. Then her mother said to him that if it will be all right and don't mind over it. Everybody seems to be saying that to Raju only. Everybody is saying like that only, that it will be all right. Next news, India won the match, and when his father and elder brother Renju returned, they were very happy and pleased with the performance of Indian team and Sachin as well. Renju said that Sachin scored 200 runs and took two important wickets. But in the last inning, when Sachin was trying to take a catch, he fell down and he got injured in his arm. The next day, when the headlines came, it announced that Sachin was out of the game for the next 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, Raju visited to the hospital for a checkup. The doctor checked his leg. It was healing quickly, and the nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. When Raju came back to the waiting room, his mother had gone to complete some other work. The nurse said to Raju that 2 more weeks and you will be playing cricket again. After 2 minutes, when Raju was sitting with the plaster on his leg, the man sitting behind him asked, "Do you like cricket?" As Raju was having plaster on his legs, so he could not move, look backward, that who is speaking to him. Although he replied by turning a little, "I love cricket. It's my life, and one day I will be a great cricketer like Sachin." The man laughed. The man laughed and again asked, "You admire Sachin, do you?" Raju said, "Of course, he is my hero." Suddenly, nurse called out for the next patient. The man behind Raju stood up and was visible to Raju. Raju shouted, "Sachin!" with a surprise and called out his mother. Actually, Sachin had came to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. Raju and his mother talked for a while with Sachin, and at last Raju asked Sachin, "Will you give me your autograph?" Sachin replied, "Of course, I will." Sachin wrote on his plaster to Raju from his hero, "All the best, Sachin Tendulkar." And after that Sachin got into the doctor's cabin to see the doctor. 2 weeks later, when the plaster was removed from the Raju's leg, he hung it up. He hung that plaster on in his room, and every morning before leaving for the school, he looked at Sachin's autograph. So, students, here is the end of the story. So, do you enjoy the story? Now, students, here are some difficult words which you will get difficult words which you will get in your book also. You have to write these words in your rough copy and learn their spellings, pronunciation with their meanings. And after all, try to write the answers of the questions given in your textbook in rough copy. Mark one thing, notice one thing, that your writing should be very neat and clean, because writing is very much necessary. Thank you, students.